Today, we are making one of India's most beloved classics, a rich, creamy, restaurant-style Palak Paneer. Let's get started. First, bring your pan to medium heat and add 2 tablespoons of oil. Now, let's drop in a bay leaf, 2 cinnamon sticks, 4 cardamom parts, 5 cloves and a teaspoon of cumin seeds. Let these sizzle and bloom for about 2 to 3 minutes. Your kitchen should already smell incredible. Next, add 3 cloves of roughly chopped garlic and a roughly chopped 1-inch piece of fresh ginger. Saute these together for 2 minutes, just until the raw smell fades away. Now, add 4 to 5 green chillies, along with half a cup of cashews. These cashews are our secret weapon for that silky, creamy texture. Saute everything together for another 2 to 3 minutes. Now it's time for the star of the dish. Add 600 grams of fresh spinach leaves with just a pinch of salt. Give it a gentle toss, cover the pan and let the spinach cook until it completely wilts down. It'll look a lot at first, but trust the process. Once the spinach has wilted, turn off the heat and let everything cool down for a few minutes before blending. Transfer to your blender, add a cup of water and blitz into a smooth, vibrant green puree. Set this aside and we'll come back to it. Bring the same pan to medium heat. Add 2 tablespoons of oil and 2 tablespoons of butter. Add in your whole spices again. Let them saute for 2 to 3 minutes until fragrant. Now add 2 diced shallots and cook them until they start to turn a light golden brown. Don't rush this step. Add 2 diced tomatoes and cook until they soften completely. Now for the spices. Add a quarter teaspoon of turmeric, 1 teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of Kashmiri chilli powder and 1 teaspoon of Garam masala. Mix everything together and let those spices cook into masala for a minute or 2. It's time to bring our beautiful spinach puree into the party. Pour it straight into the pan and stir everything together. Add a splash more water depending on how thick or thin you like your gravy. Let this simmer away for 4 to 5 minutes. Now, cut 600 grams of paneer into cubes. And gently fold them into the gravy. Cook for another 5 minutes until the paneer is heated through and has soaked up all that flavor. To finish, add a half teaspoon of garam masala and half a teaspoon of kasuri methi. Stir it through, turn off the heat and stir in 2 tablespoons of heavy cream. And there it is, a deeply flavorful, velvety palak paneer made entirely from scratch. It tastes amazing. Take care. See you next time.